Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to withdraw from Tonkeeper. Now, if you want to withdraw from Tonkeeper, as you can see here, there is not really a withdraw option here, although withdraw option is actually the send option. So how does that work? Well, if you want to send whatever assets you have on your Tonkeeper wallet to another wallet, we made the Bybit, made the Binance. For this example, we're going to use my Bybit address, my Bybit code. So what you want to do is to send this, whatever you have here. For example, you have like a couple $100 here, and you want to send it to your Bybit wallet. All you need to do is click on send. After you click on send, it says your recipient, right? It says your recipient address and comment. Now, this is where you put your Bybit address or your Binance or whatever other wallet you have. Do that, and then it says here you must include a note from the exchange for transfer. Without it, your funds will not be lost. Will be lost. So make sure you don't press continue immediately. So it says here, send to my Bybit wallet, and then just click on continue, right? And here you're gonna add how much you're gonna send to your Bybit wallet, and then after that, it will be sent directly to whatever wallet of your choosing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.